Alright guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. It's how to anything here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to watch any free movie or any free show that you would want to watch. So the first thing you want to do is go on Tweakbox, and if you don't know how to get Tweakbox, you can go to my last video and see how I got it. So you just want to open it up, wait for it to load. Take a little bit of time, but once it's open, you want to go to apps, and after apps you want to go down to tweaked apps, and then after that you want to look for an app called moviebox, and as you can see it's right there. So you want to click install, and it will pop up again and click install. So after that you want to open it up. Once it's downloaded onto your home screen, it's going to pop up an ad, and you're just going to press the X button. As you can see, there's all these different types of movies. You could also go to new releases and see what kind of new movies came out. You can go to TV shows, and you can see that there's a lot of TV shows that you can watch. And that's it guys, thanks for watching.